Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I literally just woke up like 5 minutes ago. I thought I would film a video today around what I would typically eat in a day. So for those of you that don't follow my fitness page, you would know I am doing a Joseph Rakich meal plan, his keto one. So I'm going to try and stick to that for 12 weeks. My first week I lost 2.2 kilos just by being on his plan, and I'm almost through my second week. So I thought I would cook up some stuff for you guys today. They're literally the most basic meals ever, super easy to make meals. And I just love meal plans because you don't even have to think about what you have to cook. It's just all there for you. So let's go into the kitchen. All right, so according to my meal plan, I'm gonna make my favorite breakfast probably from the whole meal plan. It's either this or bacon and eggs. So I'm gonna make some cream cheese pancakes this morning. So easy to make and it tastes so good. So I'm gonna literally show you guys exactly how I make it. So what I need is 3 eggs. Crack them in this blender because I have to blend them all up. So 3 eggs. Cracking eggs is so satisfying. And then you need 50 grams of cream cheese. I just use a Philadelphia one, and I use this to weigh my cheese. So I'm just going to turn it on. All right, so measuring the cheese, that's 30 grams. So let's do a tad more. 46 grams, that'll do. Pop that in, lid on. Actually, I'm gonna just pop a little bit of cinnamon on it. Pop the lid on. Then in the blender, I just pulse it. Let's just grab some butter. So I'm just going to measure 5 grams of butter. On my little weighing machine. 6 grams, that'll do. So I just use that. So once that's whisked up, I just let that wait for about 5 minutes to thicken up. Just until that gets hot. So for my coffee, I'll just take one of these. And then I use this sweetener. It's sweetened with stevia. I pour the butter around. And I'm just going to make 1 pancake to start off with. So I like to make like 4 or 5 small ones as opposed to big ones because I like stacking them. It just makes me feel like I'm eating more when I do that. So I'm going to, yeah, make all the pancakes now. I only have black coffee now. So I just fill that up. Mix that around. And voila, there's my black coffee. They literally take like 2 seconds to cook, so I'm going to take that one off. Then pour the next one on. Alright, let's flip this next one. They do get a little bit more burnt looking as they go because the butter's obviously absorbed in the first one, but not the rest, but that's fine. Alright, that one. So I'm making my last pancake, but this is how many little ones that it made. Then after that's cooked, I'm going to top it with some low-fat, low-carb, low-calorie maple syrup. these are the macros on the back. So less than 1 gram of carbs and sugar per serving, which is amazing. 3.8 calories per serve. So this is the one I use. Put some maple syrup on. And that is breakfast. I'll leave the macros on the screen for you guys. Let me just take a quick picture. Yum. But yeah, that is breakfast. Honestly, these pancakes are so good. So that made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pancakes. And I like to stack them up. How is this a diet? That tastes incredible. So good. So if you're on the Gold Coast, I got that like no sugar maple syrup from the green grocer at Isle of Capri. If you don't live on the Gold Coast, I'm pretty sure Coles has one, or iHerb have a sugar-free maple syrup. I think I prefer the Coles one better than this one, but it still tastes amazing. Hey guys, so it's now 12:30. I filmed a few videos today. So it's now 12:30 p.m. Don't feel hungry at all. Like breakfast usually keeps me going up until like 12:31, even sometimes 2 p.m. But I'm gonna have my snack and my lunch together. Sometimes I just do that because it's easier. Usually my snack is just a bulletproof coffee or a stick of cheese. So today I'm having a bulletproof coffee. For those that don't know what a bulletproof coffee is, it's just basically black coffee with some butter in it. And obviously because of the keto diet, you're replacing all of your carbohydrates with fat as your energy source. So fat is actually supposed to keep you fuller for longer as opposed to carbohydrates. Do you guys ever feel like you could still eat even after you like eat a massive burger, or you just eat so many carbs, like you feel hungry like an hour or two later? Whereas when you're eating a lot of fat, you literally don't feel hungry for like 5 or 6 hours that you could go without food. That's just what I've noticed personally being on this diet. So yeah, that's the one thing I love about it. So from memory on my plan, I'm pretty sure I'm just having a meat patty, 100 grams of vegetables, but you can replace it with salad. So you can basically have any non-starch vegetable. So just pretty much put there sometimes like 1 beef patty, 100 grams, and then 95 or 100 grams, your choice of non-starch vegetables. So they could be like broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, salad, cucumber, tomatoes, anything non-starch. You just Google it and there's a massive list for you guys. So I think I might have the beef patty and some salad because I don't really feel like veggies. Tonight I'll have veggies with my steak. So yeah, I'm gonna go cook that. My roommates are actually in the lounge, so I don't know if I'll be speaking that much, but I'll make sure I show you guys exactly how I make it. Alright, so I literally just took my lipstick off to eat, otherwise it would have gone everywhere. But that lunch was so good. I'm just having my bulletproof coffee. For those that have been asking, can you taste the butter in bulletproof coffee? No, it just makes it so much creamier. Like, it's so nice. I use, as you saw before, I use stevia, like sweetener, because I could not do coffee without sweetener. So I've just got 1 teaspoon of coffee, sweetener, and then the 10 grams of butter. So I'm gonna go edit some videos, go to F45 in about 3 hours, and then come home to cook dinner. And I'll show you guys what I'm making. I'm making a Scotch fillet steak with vegetables. I'm so excited. Hey guys, so I just took off my base because I hate going to the gym with foundation on. So I thought I would cook my dinner before gym so I just can really easily heat it up, because otherwise the kitchen will be chaos with like 3 people cooking it later on. So I'm gonna pre-do my dinner meal and show you guys what I'm going to eat. So on the plan it says steak and veggies. So this is the steak I'm going to use, the rump steak, Australian organic beef. I just get like one single one just because I like fresh steak. So yeah, I have to weigh this because I need, I think it's 130 grams of it. I think this is 200 grams, so I'm gonna have to cut it and weigh it. It says 175 gram of Scotch fillet steak. I actually couldn't find any single Scotch fillet steak, so it shouldn't matter. This one's just rump steak. 20 grams of butter and 175 grams of non-starch vegetables. I had salad today, so I think I might steam some broccoli, cauliflower and snow peas for my veggies, so I'm gonna do that now. I might just weigh the steak and then cook it fresh straight after, because that's all I'll have to do. So yeah, I'm gonna organize all the veggies and I will set you guys up so you guys can see. Okay, I'm just gonna prepare some veggies for the next couple of meals. So I will just cut these. And when you're weighing food, make sure to weigh them all raw. Sometimes I get lazy and I just buy the frozen veggies. So I didn't buy cauliflower this time because it's just so messy cutting all this up. Obviously tastes better fresh in my opinion, but sometimes when I literally cannot be bothered. I've got my snow peas here as well that I'll just chop the ends off. By the way, I just googled non-starch vegetables, so that's where I got my little veggie list from. Alright, so I'm just gonna get this and I'm gonna weigh my veggies. Alright, so I'm gonna weigh my veggies, 175 grams. I'll just do a few more. And then I'll do around about 70 grams of cauliflower. So I'll put just like a few of these in with it as well. So that's the veggies I'm gonna have with my steak for dinner. Okay, as for the steak, I'm only allowed 175 grams. So I just cut it because I'm pretty sure that's like 200 grams. Oh, how perfect is that? Amazing. So I'll put that in the fridge and I'll cook that fresh after I finish gym, just because I'd prefer it fresh. I've got my veggies here steaming. Yum. And then I'll cook those as well for my meals for tomorrow. So yeah, so simple and easy. Love this meal plan. So they're my veggies for tonight for after gym. I also have, I think it was 10 grams of butter, so I like to melt that on top of the veggies and also on the steak. So yeah, I will show you guys when I eat it tonight. Hey guys, I just got home from the gym, had a shower, I'm in my PJs. I'm about to go and make my steak. Once again, there are people, well, my roommates are outside, so I'm not gonna be like loud. I think they're watching a movie or something. So I'm gonna just film myself making my steak and warming up my veggies. And yeah, that's my dinner. And that's all that I'll be eating today. I'll make sure I put in on the screen how many calories, carbs, fats, and protein that I consumed today. So I'll put that up here for your reference. So yeah, I'm gonna go and cook my steak. I'm starving. So I'll talk to you guys probably after I eat. Hey guys, so I'm in bed now. It's 10 p.m. I'm gonna probably edit this video and try and have it up ASAP for you guys. But I hope you found this vlog interesting. If you want to see any more videos like this, then let me know in the comments down below, because I make heaps of different recipes. I don't eat the same thing every day. So yeah, if you want to see my other keto recipes, then let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.